So I bought this case, the HS 420, and holy smokes, it's huge. I just took the top panel off, and wow. Here it is over here. Let me show you. Oh, that's me. But oh my word, that's humongoloid. It's huge. It's huge. And then this goes back on top here, like this. Yeah, there you go, see? And I think I have to take some screws out to take that glass off, but all right, let's see if I gotta do that. All right, so I pulled it off, and I've never seen this before. So the whole side panel is glass. Like the whole side of the fish tank is glass. That's pretty crazy. But also, I had to take out 4 screws. I didn't like that, and I don't like that, but the case is still super dope. There, it's super huge. Super big. GPU V kit. Nice. Dope. Wait. Holy smokes, look at that back panel. Complete metal with mesh. That's super insane. That's the whole back panel, guys. Look how big that is. That is huge. How big that is. It's crazy. Whoop. Insane. Awesome. Fully metal too. That's dope. Oh yeah, baby. Look at that. Oh ho ho ho, baby. The case came with gloves. It's pretty cool. So this case was an absolute nightmare. It was a nightmare. 140 millimeter fans. This glass thing to direct the air up into the GPU. I found Venom at Walmart, so he had to go inside the PC. He's kind of big, but I don't care. Make a Venom themed PC. MSI, motherboard, GPU, Ryzen 9 7950 3D. Really nice, cool PC. And it's huge. It's really big. Check it out. Look how big that is compared to this one. And my son's PC, that the power supply is busted, so I need to fix that. And this is my old one that's been on the desk for the longest. That's the old one. Dusty, musty, and ready to be my streaming PC. Huh? Everything's got all this. There's the glass. And let me put the glass back on. But yeah, that's my PC. I hope you guys like it. It's the top part. Look how big the top part is. Look at that. Look how big that is.